My question for you is I've been dating this girl for a year now, and we are planning to get married, and she is on disability. I am asking you if that's going to have any issue.
You're allowed to fall in love with somebody who's disabled. The only issue is that because she may be getting a disability payment, that disability payment may not be enough money to support you. Maybe yes, maybe no, depending on the amount. So if her disability is below, is 125% below the poverty level, you'll need to get a second affidavit of support. Getting disability payments is not government assistance. Rich or poor, if you're disabled, you're entitled to a disability. So it's not government assistance in that respect. It's not need-based government assistance. So the only thing is maybe you need a second affidavit of support. Other than that, you're fine. My
husband is here, but I'm on food stamp right now, and the government is helping me with some bills because I'm sick. Can I still file for him with the affidavit of support?
You can, if possible, get off the food stamps. You definitely need a second affidavit of support, but if possible, get off the food stamps.
Okay, so it's not interrupted. You can file?
You can, because they look at the totality of circumstances. So it's not like the positives and the negatives. Collecting food stamps, though, and showing up to the interview and still being on food stamps, that's going to be a problem. But if you get off now...
But I'm in the process of getting disability.
Disability is okay.
Okay, disability is okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, with the affidavit of support.
Correct.
I have a daughter in Jamaica who's disabled. I'm now a citizen of the United States. Is it possible for me to file for her to come to the U.S.?
Yes, but just because she's disabled, they're not going to make it go faster.
If my wife, a U.S. citizen, is getting SNAP benefits and living in public house, can that be an issue for my AOS case?
Yes, it can. It's a huge issue. You most likely will not get through.
My mom has a pending asylum case, right?
Right.
The lawyer didn't give her any options in regards to, because my sister was old enough to sponsor her. But since I'm disabled, they told me that I couldn't sponsor her because I wasn't able to prove that I don't have enough money to show above the poverty level.
All right, so let me ask you a question, Oscar. Where's your mom from? Let's start there.
Mexico.
How did she come to the U.S.?
Illegally.
That's why you can't sponsor her, because she came without inspection. And a U.S. citizen's son or daughter cannot sponsor a mother or father for adjustment. And if your mother was to go back to Mexico, she would have a 10-year bar.
I'm a green card holder, and I'm married to a U.S. citizen. Been in the country for 13 years. Would that have any effect, like if I, applied for SNAP or,
Nope, not at all.
Not at all?
No, because you have a green card for 13 years, so whatever affidavit of support was given to you is already expired, and you're entitled to any government benefits you're entitled to, and that doesn't prevent you from traveling, and it doesn't prevent you from becoming a citizen.
If you're married to somebody on disability,
yes,
can that prevent you from getting your green card?
No. Their disability has nothing to do with their income. It has to do with an injury that they have. So it doesn't prevent them from sponsoring you. If their disability payments are not high enough to support you 125% above the poverty level, you may need a second affidavit of support from somebody else, but that doesn't prevent them from filing for you. That would be different than somebody who's collecting, food stamps or something like that. That would be different because that's a need-based government assistance based on being below the poverty level.
I'm from Connecticut. I'm about to file for my green card, but I'm getting WIC for my kids. Will that prevent me from getting a green card?
No.
If someone has a petition for their married daughter, can the parent file for disability if they're unable to work?
Absolutely.
Okay, will it affect their case?
Well, you get a second affidavit of support from someone else.
My wife is a green card holder and she's pregnant right now. She applied for the WIC checks. So she's getting WIC check right now. So is it going to create any problem when she applied for her own citizenship after 3 years?
It does not. You need the WIC. Go get it. Go do it.
I've been here now for a year and a half. I came here on a B1 visa.
Right.
I've been with this guy. He's a U.S. citizen. We're engaged to be married. We have a child together. But he recently got sick and had to do a lot of surgery, and now he's disabled because he lost his leg.
That's okay. So let him file for you anyway. Even if he's disabled, you just may need an affidavit of support from a second person.
I'll just need a support from another person?
That's it. You'll be fine.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.